Keep us posted. Well, today the judge overseeing the Fulton County election interference case denied a request by former President Donald Trump and others to throw out their charges on First Amendment grounds.
Yeah, investigative reporter Zach Merchant has followed every single step of this case. So Zach, break this down for us. What do we need to know here?
Well, importantly, today's ruling comes after a hearing in Fulton County Superior Court last week. And at that hearing, Mr. Trump's attorney argued that the former president's alleged criminal conduct was actually political speech protected from prosecution by the First Amendment. Other defendants raised similar arguments, but today Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee denied those claims, writing in his order that, quote, "These vital constitutional protections do not reach the actions and statements alleged by the state." Emory Law School professor John Acevedo, when we talked to him today, said the decision was unsurprising.
It's in line with Georgia previous case law on RICO and First Amendment. It's in line with federal rulings on this issue. And really, it's just remembering, yes, you have a right to speak, but there can be consequences, and sometimes those consequences are criminal consequences.
But Judge McAfee did leave open the possibility that the defendants could raise another First Amendment challenge again down the line. And Professor Acevedo said that the defendants are also free to try to convince a jury at trial that their statements were political, not criminal in nature.
Zach, we are so grateful to have you here. That law school paying off to break it down for us. One question for you, though. So DA Fani Willis, she says she wants a trial by August 10th. There's a lot of moving parts here. Is this ruling going to impact that timeline?
The short answer, when we asked Professor Acevedo this, his short answer was no. But he also noted that it's unlikely the defense team could pursue a successful appeal of this ruling, but they could try. And if they do, and if they then clear a series of procedural hurdles, it could raise some roadblocks for the timing of this case, but those are a lot of ifs. Right now, going just off of what Judge McAfee's ruling said, no impact on the timeline so far.
All right, we'll see what happens. Zach Merchant.
We will.
Thank you so much.